terrapin. Hi travellers, I'm Anne's daughter Lego. Day 3 of Kruger, whoa! Can't wait to see more lions. And hopefully, what are they called? Spotted dogs. Black, brown. Wild dogs. Great! Holy hell, look at them all!
Second night I've dreamt about you, babe.
Yeah, we're good.
I don't know how I should tell you, babe.
Whoa.
Motherfuckers, I told you.
Oh my god.
I told you, motherfuckers.
Oh,
Is a black rhino.
wow! Way!
Guys, I'm
I get lost thinking about you. I admit that I can't be without you. The air that I breathe doesn't mean nothing if you're not here, giving me something I can hold on to. Baby, please don't leave. Give me life, I need you. Hold me close, I want to. Shut all the world down, just you and me, baby.
Alright, my tips. Make sure you've got a chili bin. Bring some slicker pads. Bring your own snacks. Now, in terms of loo preparation, don't drink too much because there are large gaps in between the rest stops. So plan accordingly. The rest stops are really great for having lunch, so that's really lovely, and it's not too expensive, more than like regular life. What about the petrol, Chris, inside the park? Is it more expensive?
No, that's standard across.
Surprisingly, the petrol price is the same, which I would not expect for a national park. I'm thinking Australia here. The further you drive, the more expensive it gets. Not all of the restaurants inside the rest stops have aircon, so that is something to pay heed to if you're coming in summer, if it's a hot day, because it's very unpleasant. And just come with great people. I think that is my number one. Like, it really helps. And a great spotter. Actually, that would be my number one. Somebody that sees the animal, because I'm not great. Have fun, enjoy, yay Kruger. Also, self-drive is a fantastic option. Just hire a car, grab a map, you'll be right. The signpostage is just fine. In regard to staying, do you need to stay in the Kruger itself? Well, you can. Look, last time I did. I stayed at, I can't even remember, there were 2 camps though. And it was nice. You do get an extra half an hour to be able to traipse around the park if you're staying inside. However, we've stayed outside and it's worked out fabulously. Apparently Airbnb is a great option too. Oh, and much cheaper, so that's always a win. Oh, book tickets online, especially during holiday periods. The link for where to book is in the description box below. Same price to book online as it is if you just pitch up. And of course, it costs more for foreigners, as it should.
Feel like I've been losing my head. Used to be alone, but now instead.
What are we looking at?
A cheetah.
Oh, look out. Whereabouts, please? Oh. Thank you. Right over there, but you can't see it at the moment. Wow, imagine those high ups. Oh no, he needs to put a shirt on.
Need you by my side, can't go without it.
Oh, there. Cheetah.
Nick's favourite sightings are those crossing the road.
Well, they're
very
like,
passionate about them.
they're
Just
so
send me one.
easy.
Give them a babe.
Oh, look at goodness, look at them all.
One single night, dreaming about you. Air that I breathe doesn't mean nothing if you're not here.
Look, he's gone.
Thinks it's a hippo.
Giving me something I can hold on to. Baby, please don't leave. Give me life, I need you. Hold me close, I want to. Shut all the world out, just you and me.
Is he reversing? What are they doing?
Like bird people.
Hey, buddy.
Look at that horn.
He's got an
I told
impressive
you
horn.
they'll.
Hi there. Good, thanks. How you doing? Good, thank you. Yes. I'll check the back. See if I smuggled any warthogs.
Oh my goodness.